Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered why you use eye cream morning and night and the proper way you put it on? Well, stay tuned and I'm about to tell you how and why.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion.
Hi everyone, this is Sybil, your skin fitness expert. I'm here today to talk to you about all things eye cream. So I think a lot of times eye cream is a really misunderstood kind of product. A lot of people come in and they talk to me about eye cream and I find out that they have no idea what the heck they are doing. They're like, oh, I'm using this or that, and they're putting it on completely wrong. So let's talk for a second about eye cream. Let's talk about what the eye area consists of. So I'm gonna get really close to the camera. Oh my gosh, so close to the camera. Anyways, so this is the orbital bone. That is if you go ahead and touch with clean hands, people. It's the only time I'm gonna let you touch your face, really. With clean hands, if you go ahead and you touch that bone, this is the orbital bone, okay? It's called the orbitalis. It is the orbital bone, and this is the bone. It goes all the way up. Your eyebrow holds it together on both sides. This is the bone that you are going to place your eye cream on. You are not going to stick it directly under your eye. You're going to stick it right on that bone. The reason why is because this area is very delicate. It also has no pores. Therefore, if you stick the eye cream directly on it, when you put it there, it's going to, as you blink, and as your eye area heats up, any of the cream that's here is going to go into your eye instead of staying on that delicate region. All right. So, but if we stick it on the orbitalis, on the orbital bone, as your eye blinks and as it heats up, it will have time to sink into that area and stay there. All right. The next thing, we're going to talk about the fact that we put it on our eye cream morning and night, and often we have two different kinds of eye cream. Now, I don't care if you use two different kinds of eye cream. I'm perfectly fine with you just having one, as long as you're using one morning and night. Now, a lot of times the daytime ones, they have an SPF in them, and that's great. At night, you really want to make sure you're using your eye cream. That is the most important time you're using your eye cream, because at nighttime is when we're using a healing eye cream. That is something that's going to help heal up the eye. And that's the nighttime. The daytime one, we're using something that's going to protect the eye and keep it just hydrated. So the morning, we're gonna heal and hydrate. At night, we're gonna hydrate and we're gonna keep it nice and lively.